Hi guys, welcome to aclaireytale and welcome to another video. In this week's vlog it is actually Simon's birthday and we're celebrating this weekend with Simon's parents, then on his actual day, and then next weekend with my parents. So I thought I'd film little clips from each of those and put them all together and have a bit of a birthday vlog, so I hope you enjoy it. Simon's parents came around yesterday and Simon's mum made the most beautiful birthday cake for Simon. I'll put that clip in here. We enjoyed that last night. Whoa.
Like gold candle.
What have you got, sparkles?
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
Whoa.
It's the crunch of the chocolate.
Look at that big thick piece in the middle.
Looks amazing.
Oh, it's a right wedge.
Oh, I might not be able to eat it all.
Sorry, I should have cut it maybe close to the thing in the first place.
Let's have a look inside. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, what's that in the
Look
middle?
at that chocolate. Wow. It was delicious, that cake. And then tonight we're going to go for dinner in this lovely restaurant called Leftbank, so that should be really nice as well. I'll probably film what we order. I think it's going to be a very food heavy vlog, so if you're a foodie you are going to love this. Christmas is coming, people. Christmas is coming. My favourite one. Oh, there's new Krispy Kreme donuts. Oh, there's a Reese's. You'd love that.
Chocolate ring
Yeah, Reese's chocolate ring. And then, what's that one? S'mores.
with cookie.
Oh, wow. Hello, it is Simon's birthday today. We've had a lovely morning and a lovely lunch, and now I'm going to make him some birthday brownies, which is definitely not a thing, but I was going to make a cake, but I really wanted to use the new brownie dish, so we're going to do birthday brownies instead, and I've got some of those little Colin the caterpillar faces to put in. So I'm going to go now and make some birthday brownies. I'm sure there'll be some sort of montage, so I hope you enjoy. You're right, they're gonna sink. I'm howling.
I think your caterpillars are a bit too head heavy.
Yeah. They have sunk. It should add a nice bit of white chocolate to the brownie anyway. I can't, that's just making me laugh so much. Good morning. I've not edited this video yet, but I feel like it's a lot of food to music, and the food is not over yet. There is still more to come in this video, but I thought I'd share some exciting news. So, you know, last week I showed you the Disneyland Paris painting that my dad finished. I'll put in the clip of it here. I'm gonna do a big reveal. What do you think? Do you like it? So that painting is now available in our shop. The prints of it are available. So it's in our Etsy store. I'll put the link below. Also, if you search aclaireytale in Etsy, it should come up as well. We've decided to do 2 sizes this time. So you've got the A3 size, and it's going to be signed. And that size is the like for like of the painting itself, of the original painting. It's the exact same size, exact to scale. And we've also got a smaller A4 size as well, so that if you don't have the wall space for A3, you can get A4 if you would like to. So yeah, I thought we'd have 2 different options because I know it was a bit limited having just the one size in some of these paintings. But it's all thanks to you that we went and got this done. You said some lovely things last week in the comments about this painting, so thank you so much. We went to Liverpool a few days ago now, and I'll put in the clip of us getting the prints here. We're having real trouble getting the right colours on this. So we've lost the detail on this one, and this one is just a bit wishy-washy, the castle, so we're just trying to get an in-between. Oh, they look so nice.
Yeah, it's a nice.
Yeah. We're coming to Nero, get some coffee as always. So the UK is going mad for these giant orange buttons, and they're so good. I've had a packet already, and I just found some in Tesco, so definitely gonna enjoy those. Here we go, we've got our prints from the printers.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
After a while.
Yeah, it took a while to get the colours right. This one is the A4, and this is going to be signed A3.
Yeah.
Looks good.
This is very much the French area. I tried to capture that because, of course, that's nowhere near the castle.
No, it's in studios, isn't it? That one.
That's right. Yeah.
I love the fountain, Dan.
Yeah, I've even got the water coming out the bottles. Yeah. And believe it or not, but there is a rat at the very top of the...
If you look very closely.
Yeah. So
that's the exciting news, that those prints are available in the shop now. But in slightly disappointing news, so I mentioned in last week's vlog as well that we are looking at doing bookmarks and magnets, and the bookmarks arrived pretty much straight away. The magnets, it said it would take a month to arrive, which was fine, but a month came on Wednesday just gone, and the parcel arrived and it's not quite what we ordered. I'll put in the clip of what came. So this box arrived, we're very excited. It's the magnets. We opened it. It's not our magnets. Something has happened. They've mixed up our orders, and we've got these instead. Sarah has got ours, maybe, who knows. So not good, and we had to wait a month for these to arrive. I hope it's not going to be another month for them to fix the issue. But yeah, they are not our magnets. So not only did some completely random magnet arrive, someone else has probably got ours somewhere, but it also came to the wrong house. A completely different number. So it was a good job we knew that person and they were able to bring it to us, because they would have just been lost. So at least we've got proof that we've got something that was incorrect. Anyway, so I messaged them, and it's been a week now and I've not heard a thing from them. I called them up as well, and they said they'll get back to us. Still not heard anything, so we just don't know how long that's going to be, and if they have to reprint, it's going to be another month. So we're just going to have to put that on the sideline for a little while. Maybe it'll be ready for Christmas, who knows, but I'll keep you posted here and on the Instagram Painted by Ed as well. All very annoying, disappointing, but the quality of the ones that did come look really good, so that's promising. But yeah, fingers crossed they come soon. We are off out now to the garden centre. We're going to have breakfast or brunch to celebrate Simon's birthday with my parents, so it should be nice. It's become a bit of a tradition, this. We've done it for the past 2, maybe 3 years, where we go to this, to the Warbreck Garden Centre, which is a really nice garden centre, and just have a nice breakfast, so that should be really good. We are here at Warbreck Garden Centre. We're going to have a lovely little breakfast. Hello! I've gone for the light breakfast, and so has Mum, haven't you? Like mother, like daughter. And then my dad's got
Egg Benedict
with salmon.
With salmon.
And then Simon's got egg Benedict with bacon. Oh, it looks amazing.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah. I love that they always put the beans separate. I have a weird thing about my beans touching my egg. Does anyone else agree? It freaks me out. That was absolutely delicious. Did you enjoy your breakfast?
I did.
Oh, it was so good. Oh. Can anyone spot their names? Can it? Oh, what have you found?
Granddad.
What have you got? Oh. There's not much choice. No, I don't see a single name.
Hello.
Yay! Usually Chris is next to me, isn't he?
Yeah, why isn't Chris next to you?
The brother is. I love that. You wouldn't want to eat it, would you? How much are they? $4.99.
You haven't got many actually.
No, it's just run out, hasn't it? Look at these. I found an elephant one. Is it a little chair? So we're looking at little bird feeders because we have got a little bird that comes to visit us in our back garden, and Simon's like started taking care of it. He bought him some bird food, so we're gonna get a little thing for him to make it a little home. So we have 3 birds that would just come to us every day, and they're wagtails, and they're little tail wags. I'll film one for you. But the parents have disappeared, and it's just a little one now, so we're taking care of him. We've put him under our wing, literally. Okay. So the bird thing is getting out of hand, people. We are getting this little one so that he can have something to drink out of. I actually really love it. I think it's nicer than the other ones. So there's ones with hands. There's this one that's quite cute, but yeah, this is the one we're going to go for. So our little wagtail can have a drink. Well, the little bird's going to like that, isn't it? It's really so cute. It's meant to be like a little log, isn't it?
Yes, a hollowed out log.
Yeah. We will have to show you our bird when I get home. We'll show you what he looks like. He's so cute. I'm just going to fill it up with water now and wait for him to come. Look at our wagtail, and look at his tail wagging, and he's enjoying this little water. Oh, he looked at us then. His little water. Look at the mess he's made. That's just brilliant, isn't it? The downside of feeding the birds. We just went to this petrol station near us, and they have American cans, so let me just show you what flavours we got. So we've got, first and foremost, Mountain Dew, and it's the throwback version with the real sugar. I love it. Then we've got the cherry vanilla Dr. Pepper. Oh, American Dr. Pepper, just can't beat it. We've got mango Fanta, we've got one each of those. A berry Fanta, which is going to be so nice. Green apple Fanta, and a pineapple Fanta as well. So yeah, very excited for our little American soda haul. I'm going to put them in the fridge. There was also this as well, a mint Kit Kat Chunky. It says limited edition, I've never seen it, so looking forward to trying that as well. I think I'm going to start with the pineapple Fanta. This is the one that used to be at Club Cool. I've not had it for ages, so looking forward to that. Oh my god, it's so nice. Do you know what though? I love pineapple flavoured anything. It's so refreshing. Right, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching this week. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we got up to for Simon's birthday, mainly a lot of food. I'll put the link below to the shop if you want to get your hands on the Disneyland Paris print, and we'll see you next week for another video. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Make your memories, take your pictures,